Just wait for a few seconds. Okay. Just write your name in the chat box. That's it. Okay. Jishu, Akhil, Pratidnya, Sonali, Raj, Srishti, Aditya, Viraj. Okay, fine. So yeah, good evening again. How are you all? Had your dinner? Okay, right. So, okay, that's good. Okay. So today we are going to have a aptitude class, okay, and I'll be the teacher for aptitude as well. So आपको कल ही पता चला होगा या फिर परसों पता चला होगा कि today we are going to have aptitude class, okay. So from further classes it won't be like this, okay. We will make a proper plan and everything will be in an organized manner, okay, so that you will know in advance what we are going to learn in the upcoming week or in the upcoming week in the upcoming month, okay. So it is going to be like that. It will take some time. Yeah. So I think I haven't discussed the aptitude syllabus with at least electronic guys or EC group guys, right? I think Law Prakash sir might have discussed with mechanical guys. So for your information, I would like to let you know that we have students from mechanical, electrical, and electronics for this particular class. Okay, so since aptitude is common for all, right? So we are going to have a common class for mechanical and EC group. So I'm going to present my screen. Just let me know that it is visible so that we can proceed further. All right. So guys, this is the syllabus of general aptitude for all the three branches like mechanical, electrical, and electronics. So before 2021, you might not know, but there wasn't a specifically defined syllabus for GATE examination. But in 2021 and further, we have some specific syllabus. Like I told you in the last class as well, there will be portion of English grammar. Okay, whoever is joining late, I would like to request you that please join on time from the next class. Okay, so you won't miss some of the important things. So जैसे कि मैंने लास्ट क्लास में आपको बताया कि एक हमें पर्टिकुलरली डिफाइन करके यहाँ पे एप्टीट्यूड का सिलेबस दिया गया है जिससे कि इट इज नाउ easy to study about the aptitude. Before that we don't know what to study and what is going to come in the examination, but we have now idea what is going to be there in the examination, right? So guys, there are 15 marks for general aptitude in GATE examination for all the branches. And I think the cutoff score for a mechanical is little high. I don't know about electrical, but for electronics it is around 25 every year. Only in 2020 it was 29. So see, if cutoff is 25 and aptitude is giving you 15 marks, so if you just want to crack the examination, you have to get only 10 marks in the technical subjects, right? So that is quite easy. So take it like that. General aptitude में you can score minimum 12 to 13 out of 15. So questions are very general, like they are not very hard, they are not of very hard level. Okay. So जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि वर्बल एप्टीट्यूड के लिए या फिर इंग्लिश ग्रामर जो है इसके लिए कोई सिलेबस डिफाइन नहीं था, लेकिन यहाँ पे डिफाइन किया गया है, लेकिन वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू कवर द वर्बल एप्टीट्यूड सिलेबस. Okay, if your English is good enough, you can score out of marks in the examination. Okay, that there is no issue. I will show you some exam papers as well from the last year. Okay, so that you will understand what kind of questions are there in the examination for English. Okay, now the next thing that we have is quantitative aptitude. So first point is data interpretation, that is data graphs, bar graphs, pie charts, and other graphs representing data. So two and three dimensional plots, maps, and tables. So basically these are bar graphs, pie charts, or some kind of graphs, and on the basis of those graphs, there would be some questions and you have to answer them. And I feel this topic is very easy. Okay, and then we have numerical computation and estimation, that is ratios, percentages, powers, exponents and logarithms, permutations and combinations, and series. Then we have mensuration and geometry, elementary statistics, and probability. So this comes under quantitative aptitude. So we are going to cover all of them, like in every lecture we are going to cover one by one all the topics. Okay, so students, we are going to take 100 hours of syllabus for you guys. Okay, so you must be knowing one thing, that it is not possible for uh, me or for law Prakash sir to take each and every type of example. Okay, but we will try to cover maximum. It is your responsibility that you explore more things, more questions, and you prepare yourself, isn't it? So yeah, we have to go like this. So we are going to touch every point in this syllabus. Then we have analytical aptitude, whose synonym is reasoning. Okay, so logic induction, logic deduction and induction, analogy, numerical relations, and reasoning. So spatial aptitude, that is, this is a new addition. Okay, before 2021 it wasn't there, but it is there now, and the questions are very easy. I will show you the questions as well, which kind of questions are there for each of this category. Now in spatial aptitude, what we have to do, we have to deal with transformation of shapes, translation, rotation, scaling, mirroring, assembling and grouping, or paper folding, cutting, and patterns in 2 and 3 dimensions. So this is complete syllabus of aptitude and reasoning. Okay, so here a few questions are given, like if you see verbal aptitude, I think you people might have gone through this syllabus. All of you have gone through this syllabus. Guys, for next few lectures we are going to go like this, like you will be on meet and I will be you will be on mute and I will be talking. You will be just replying in the chat box only. Okay, and after some lectures, the communication will be two-way, like you can turn on your mic as well. I hope you are comfortable. Sorry guys. Okay, so all of you have gone through the syllabus of aptitude. Just confirm in the chat box that you have gone through the syllabus before this. Okay, so you might have gone through those questions as well. Not yet. Okay, no issues. Fine. Okay, okay. So yeah, fine. No issues. No issues. Okay, not yet. So why am I asking this? Because if you are not, if you have not gone through the syllabus, then I can elaborate in more details, right? And if you are gone through the syllabus already, then it will be like boring for you, sir. We have gone through this, and you are just telling us all those things only. So yeah, uh, let me just open one more document. So in that document, I will be able to show you which kind of questions are actually asked in the GATE examination. Okay, this is a question paper of GATE examination 2021. Just a second, I'm opening it for you. Yeah, I hope a new tab is visible to you, and this is the question. Okay, so this question is uh, the type of this question is spatial aptitude, like folding and cutting paper, and like thinking about uh, the things. So what is the question and what answer is expected? See, the least number of squares that must be added so that the line PQ becomes the line of symmetry, right? So how many squares we will be needing? Can anyone answer in the chat box? Just give your guess. How many squares are needed, or how many square that must be added so that the line PQ becomes the line of symmetry? It is 6. Okay, so what is the answer given? I guess it is 6, right? You can see it here, right? So these kind of questions will be there. So guys, trust me, if you study well for aptitude, you're gonna get at least 12 to 13 marks. So don't worry about it. Okay. So this was the example of spatial aptitude. So let me just come again back to this syllabus. So verbal aptitude. Now I will show you some of the examples of verbal aptitude or English grammar. Okay. So yeah. So you can see this. You have to, or maybe this is analogy. Don't go after it. Okay, wait. Yeah, this is the question. You don't have to actually solve the question. You don't need to give answers. You just have to take overview of the questions. Which kind of a question is this? Just read the question and just let it go. Okay, don't think much about it. We're going to solve these kind of things in detail, but I just want to give you the feel of questions, which type of questions are exactly asked in the gate examination. Okay, gone through the question. Done guys. Yeah, fine. Now let me just show. So this is the question of bar graph. It is very easy question. If you read the question and if you try to find out the answer, it is very easy. Okay, I'm not going to elaborate on that also. Then we have this question. Nostalgia is to anticipation as dash dash is to dash dash. So if you are good enough in English, you can easily solve this question, isn't it? Right. Now next we have, consider the following sentences. Which of the above sentence is grammatically correct? You can answer this. You can give answer for this. Which is grammatically correct sentence? Third one, I was woken up from sleep. First and third, I woke up from sleep. I woke up from sleep. I was woken up from sleep. Okay, option 3 and option 1. Okay, fine. That's okay. So yeah, this was the overview of your aptitude syllabus. Okay. Now I hope you might feel confident that so we are going to score at least 10 marks in the out of 15, isn't it? Don't you think so? Don't you think so? Please keep responding. Please keep responding in the chat box for next 2 3 classes. Then we will be having interactive sessions. Okay. Yeah, sorry for troubling you to type on the keyboard. Okay, fine. So today we are going to learn one of these topic. Okay. So can anyone just tell me, like, in the college, have you given any kind of like aptitude test or some kind of like, you can understand what I want to ask. Like, you have studied the aptitude. आप लोगों को aptitude मतलब हुआ है आपके कॉलेज में aptitude के कुछ courses वगैरह, small courses. Okay, हुआ है. Okay, fine. So yeah, uh, no, okay. जिनको नहीं हुआ है that is also fine. लेकिन जिनको हुआ है उनको तो मतलब easy ही जाएगा. Okay. So we will make sure that everyone is comfortable in aptitude. Don't worry about it. Aptitude and mathematics, these two subjects will be the focus, because these two subjects can give very good marks in gate examination. Technical subjects, some of them are also good for scoring the marks, but some of them are like too vast. Okay, so don't worry, we will be guiding you to make a proper planning. Okay, And if I'll be giving you the plan, but it should be acceptable from your side as well, isn't it? So it does not matches your planning, so you can follow your plan also. But um, what I want people you to do is you just make a raw plan, like what you're gonna do. So basically we are going to complete our 100 hours till December. Okay. So there will be planning for till December, like how we are going to cover up the subjects, how we are going to maybe one or two tests and all these things. Okay, so you people make your planning, make your expectations, like what which subject you want to finish when and how, and then we will discuss in brief, and then we can make a plan for you. Okay, but not today. So today our topic is permutations and combinations. Okay, I hope everyone has at least heard the name of this topic. So let me just present the PPT, that is PowerPoint presentation, aptitude and reasoning for GATE, and we have permutation and combination. So permutation means, for those who are hearing this name for first time, the different arrangements of a given number of things by taking some or all at a time are called permutation. In simple language, permutation is nothing but arrangement of the things. It is arrangement of the things. Okay, let us suppose we have three books. How we can arrange them? Like first one will be at first place, second will be like this. We are going to shuffle the books and we are going to arrange them. Okay, so this is permutation. And combination means selection. So in permutation, order matters. Like how order matters? Suppose there are three books, one, two, three, and let me just show you. Okay, so let us suppose there are three books, one, two, and three. Okay, so the second book is placed at first place, third book is placed at second place, and the first book is placed at third place. Okay, so this is different arrangement, this is different arrangement. Here order matters, right? Elements are same, but the order is different, isn't it? So in permutation, order matters, but in combination, order does not matter. Combination is nothing but selection of selection of elements. Okay, so if we think about combination, these three elements can be shuffled in any way, but this will be one set only, this will be one combination only. Okay, so this is permutation and combination. This is just a definition, or we can say introduction to permutation and combination. We are going to solve some easy level questions, some medium level questions, and some questions of gate level. Okay, so uh, I think everyone everyone is obviously from engineering background, so सब लोगों का mathematics तो होगा ही. And mathematics में एक term होता है जिसे कि हम factorial कहते हैं. So how to calculate factorial, everyone is aware of that. Okay, so one more note is there: factorial of negative number is not defined, and we define 0 factorial is equals to 1. Okay, Arif, yeah, 0 factorial is equals to 1. These two things you need to keep in mind. Now, there is one formula for permutation. Okay, like let us suppose we have the three letters, that is A, B, C. How these three letters can be arranged? So these are possible arrangement. Like it can be written as ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, CAB, and CBA. These are the arrangements. Okay, so there were three letters only, and we had to make the possible arrangements. So we were able to arrange them. But let us suppose we have eight letters, so it will be quite hard for us to make all the possible arrangements manually. Okay, so we have this formula: NPR is equals to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. I would like to request all of you to please note down the formula. Okay, and whenever you sit for particularly gate classes, no, sit with the notebook and pen. Okay, to try taking notes. All right, so I hope everybody has written this formula: npr is equals to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So what is n and what is r? So n is basically total number of elements, and r is the selected number of elements. Like out of n, how many we are selecting here. Okay, so this is the main formula that we are going to use. There are other shortcut methods also, that too we are going to discuss. But what we can say, this is official formula for permutation, so you have to remember this. Okay, so these are some of the factorials. 0 factorial is 1, 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial is 6, and so on. You might not need the factorial of 8, 9, and 10, but it would be beneficial for you if you remember factorial still 7 factorial. Okay, 7 factorial is 5040. You can remember till this. It will be helpful for you. Okay, so factorials we are going to use in the uh, permutations as well as combinations. So first example, we have 20 factorial divided by 18 factorial. Can you guys please solve this? 20 factorial divided by 18 factorial. Please solve it and put your answers in the chat box. I know this is very easy. Okay, 380. Fine. Okay. Okay, fine, fine. Very good. 380. If it is not clear for anyone, like how the answer is 380, you can put in the chat box. Sir, please explain. Okay, I will explain it. But if you are able to find out the answer, I won't explain it. Okay, clear for everyone? Fine. There is no explain. Okay, fine. So see, 20 factorial can be written as 20 factorial can be written as 20 into 19 into 18 into so on up to 1. Okay, so it can be written as 20 into 19 into 18 factorial itself. So 18 factorial is what? 18 into 17 into 16 into 15 into like so on up to 1. Okay, and in denominator what we have? 18 factorial. So 18 factorial gets cancelled with 18 factorial, and 20 multiplied by 19 is 380. I hope it is clear. Okay, and now second question: how many words can be formed by using the letters of the word mouse? How many words can be formed by using the letters of word mouse? Can anyone? We have to form words. It is not necessary the word need to have any meaning. It can be meaningless. 5 factorial. All right, that's great. 5 factorial or 120. Both the answers are correct. Okay. See, 5 letters are here, and their arrangements will be. So if we want to put this into the formula, here we have n is equals to 5, r is equals to also 5, isn't it? So n factorial is 5 factorial divided by n minus r, that is 5 minus 5 factorial, that is 0 factorial. 0 factorial is 1, which is 5 factorial, which is equals to 120. Clear? Yeah. Now, how many words can be formed from the letters of word India? Anyone? Please try it. Okay, now the confusion is starting. Some of them are saying 120, some of you are saying 60. 60 or 120? Please decide. Okay, it is 60. Okay, fine. 5 factorial by 2. Okay. So if you write 2 factorial, that will be that will be more correct, isn't it, Jishu? 4 factorial. How come 4 factorial, Srishti? Just please recheck your answer. So guys, you must be understanding now why I'm taking like simple examples first. Okay, actually we don't need to deal with simple examples. So okay, yeah. So it is 5 factorial by 2 factorial, or simply 60. If I need to explain, I will explain in a different manner. Okay, so see, I is repeated 2 times here. Is it? I is repeated 2 times. No. So 5 factorial is the arrangements of word India. But since I is repeated 2 times, you can give 2 factorial in the denominator. Okay, so 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial, that is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 factorial, that is 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 2 into 1 gets cancelled. 5 fours are 20, 23s are 60. I hope it is clear for everyone, is it? Right? Is there any confusion why we write 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial? It should not be there. Clear, everyone? Now, we have the next question. In how many ways can the letters of the word apple be arranged? Again, a similar type of question. Can you give your answers? It is 60 again. Only letters have changed, right? 5 letters are there, out of which 2 letters are repeated, that is P, isn't it? So answer will be 60 only. Now we have sixth question, that is, in how many different ways can the letters of word leading be arranged in a such a way that the vowels always come together? Now you people don't need to solve it. You just sit back and focus how we are going to solve it. Okay. So first of all, see, we have LEADING. How many letters? 3 and 4, 7 letters. Right? 7 letters are there. But we have to arrange these letters in such way that the vowels should always be together. So what are the vowels? E, A, and I. These three are vowels. Right? So consider, like, these three vowels are going to be always together. So consider them as one letter. Okay, so how many letters are remaining? L is the one, D is the one, N is the one, and G is the one. 4 letters are remaining, plus this E, A, and I is making one letter. So total 5 letters are there, right? So 5 factorial will be the arrangement of these letters, that is 120. All right. So 120 is not the answer. Now सी ई ए आई, हम इस इन 3 लेटर को एक ही लेटर कंसिडर कर रहे हैं. व्हाई? बिकॉज ये सारे जो तीनों लेटर है ये एक साथ रहना चाहिए. देन उन्होंने बोला है ना, vowels always come together. So if these 3 letters are being together, so 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 factorial is 120, but these 3 letters can be arranged in 3 factorial form in themselves, right? So 120 into 3 factorial will be the answer. All right, so it will be 720. Option C is correct. Now, if there is anyone who disagrees with me, can put their answer in the chat box. Everyone clear? Why 720? Okay. If any doubt, put in the chat box, or we will move forward to next example. Right? Okay, fine. Guys, there are near around 15 students in the class and only 4 are replying. That's not correct. Don't you think so? So please keep responding. Okay, that keeps me going. I told you in the last lecture also. Okay. Now, how many 3-digit numbers can be formed by using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 if repetition of number is not allowed, if repetition of number is allowed? So you can try and solve this example. If you are not able to solve the examples, you can put explain in the chat box. Okay, so please be quick, guys. If you are solving, please solve it. If you have no idea about this example, you can put in the chat box explain. Guys, please read the question in a calm manner. Okay, that is the key. What exactly is the question asking? And let me tell you, this is a medium level question, not hard question. Okay, everyone is solving. Okay, Ganesh has given answer B. Well, that's good. Okay, Kunal, Jishu. What about others? Aditya, Akansha, Akhil, Arif. Okay, yeah, I will explain it. No issues. Just keep responding in the chat box. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Fine. That is absolutely fine. No issues. Okay. Now see, how many numbers do we have? We have nine numbers. All right. Okay. Good. We have nine numbers. That is one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. And now, students, I'm telling you one more trick or kind of a what we can say shortcut. Okay. If you like it, you can use it. Okay. But make sure that you understand this trick completely, then you can use it. Okay, so we have to form 3-digit number, right? So let us suppose dash dash dash, this is my 3-digit number. All right, now if repetition of numbers is not allowed, that means I have 9 numbers but I cannot repeat digits more than once. So please tell me, at the first place, how many digits can be there? It can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 9. Any digits can be there here out of 9 digits, right? So number of possible digits are 9 here, is it? Now out of this 9, one digit has gone here. Let us suppose 5 is gone here, right? So how many digits are remaining? How many digits are remaining? 8 digits are remaining. So at the second place we can have 8 digits. And at last, how many digits are remaining here? 7. We are not repeating the digits. Okay. Once the digit is gone, it is gone. We are excluding it. Right. So 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7. If you do this, it will be 504. You can do it on the calculator because you are allowed to use calculator in GATE examination. All right. Now, next one. Okay. I hope this explains. Okay. Next one. If repetition of numbers is allowed, 1, 2, 3, three-digit number is there, repetition is allowed. So that means I can take any of the number from these 9 numbers. So there are 9 possibilities here. Now, how many possibilities are here? Can anyone tell me? How many possibilities? How many numbers can we take here? It should be 9 again because repetition is allowed. Again, here, 8 or 9, it should be 9 again here. All right. So 9 multiplied by 9, that is 720. So 729. Okay, so this is how B is the correct answer. All right. Okay. So जिन लोगों को डाउट था, I hope कि उनका डाउट क्लियर हो गया. Now, next. Now this question needs to be solved by you only. Okay. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed by using 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? First one, if repetition of numbers is not allowed. Second one, if repetition of numbers is allowed. So find out for first one, A. If repetition of numbers is not allowed, then how many 4-digit numbers can be formed? If you have understood the last shortcut method I told you, you can solve it quickly. Chalo, give me the answers. There are students in the class who have not put a single comment in the chat box. This is not acceptable. 1680. 1680. Okay. I guess your answer is wrong. Okay, 4196. Okay, Viraj Deshpande has got the correct answer, I guess. 1470. Ganesh Patil has got something else. Shrishti, for B, you have got 4096, which is wrong. Sorry. Okay, let's just solve this example. Okay. Now, guys, see, we have to form a 4-digit number, right? Out of these 8 digits, how many numbers can be there at the first place? Out of 8, how many numbers can be there? You people tell me. 7 digits or 7 numbers can be there because 0 cannot be the first digit. Is it? 0 cannot be the first digit. So it has to be 7 here. Now, how many numbers should be here? 7, 6, and 5. 5 6 are 30, 37s are 210, and 2107s are 1470. 1470. For A, it is 1470. Now for B, you can calculate. I'm sure now no one will make a mistake. It is 3584. Very good. Very good, everyone. Okay, clear? So see, what is the point? Like मैं यहाँ पे क्या आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि मतलब आप में से कई स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे ट्रिक हो गए कि लाइक यहाँ पे 0 दिया है उन्होंने, लेकिन यू डिडंट नोटिस दैट कि 0 कैन नॉट बी एट फर्स्ट प्लेस, isn't it? So गेट में क्वेश्चंस इसी तरीके से डिजाइन किए जाते हैं कि the paper setter knows that where the student is going to commit mistake, he is aware of the thing, and if you are doing the mistake, then you are like you are becoming victim of the trap he has set for you, isn't it? So yeah, you have to be careful. Trust me, guys, just be like chill and read the question properly. And in gate examination will only check your basics. Okay, so focus on basics. That's what I have learned. Okay, now without further lecture, let's take the next example, that is example 9. With reference to the figure below, the number of different routes from S to T without retracing from U and or V is, मतलब हमें S से लेके T तक जाना है. We don't have to cross U or T more than one time. How many ways are there? Possible ways. Simple. Very simple. Tell me, from S to U, how many ways are there? 3 ways are there, right? From U to V, we have 2 ways. And from V to T, how many ways? 3 ways. So 3 twos are 6, 6 threes are 18. So option D is the correct option. Any confusion? Any confusion? No confusion. Fine. Okay. So now we have one hard type of question. It is not actually hard. In a question paper, there are 5 questions to be attempted, and answer to each question has 2 choices. There are 5 questions, and each question has 5 choices, true or false. It is given that no 2 candidates have given answers to the 5 questions in an identical sequence. मतलब किसी ने भी एक दूसरे का कॉपी नहीं किया है. For this to happen, the maximum number of candidates is 5 questions है. Each question is having 2 options. How many candidates can be there, maximum candidates, so that no 2 students or no 2 candidates have identical answers? Any guess? Okay, let me just ज़्यादा आपको मैं वेट नहीं करवाऊंगा. देखो students, basically what we have to find out here, we have to find out like this true and false options, the questions, how many, in how many ways they can be arranged, like true false true false, true true false false, true 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 false, like this is the permutation we have to find out. So how many questions are there? 5 questions are there, isn't it? 1 2 3 4 5 questions are there. Now for first questions, how many possibilities are there? It can be either true or it can be false, isn't it? So 2 possibilities are there. For second question also 2 possibilities. For third question also 2 possibilities. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, 16 into 2 is 32. So there can be, so if this scenario is to be happen, we need to have, or we can accommodate 32 students. Clear to everyone? Only Pratidna has given the clarification that this is acceptable answer for her. Okay. If you have any doubt, you just put it in the chat box quickly. Okay, so that without wasting time, we can solve the doubt and move further. Okay, fine. Yeah, it's kind of a tricky question, and these kind of questions will be there. A lot of questions. Okay, so you guys have to practice like hell. Okay, yeah. So the trickiest question is this: four-digit numbers are to be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, four-digit number is there, four digits are there, and none of these four digits are repeated in any manner. Further, 2 and 3 are not immediately follow each other. 1 is not to be immediately followed by 3. 4 is not to appear at the last place. 1 is not to appear at the first place. How many different numbers can be formed? Anyone is trying? If you are trying, then put in the chat box trying. And if you are not trying, just put in the chat box explain. I will explain it. Okay, Viraj is trying. Okay. That's good. That's the spirit I want to see. Everyone is trying. Okay, good. So I'll wait. I'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Good. Good to read that. I'm very glad that these many students are trying. Chinmay, are you not trying? Arif, Akhil, Akansha, 128. Okay, we'll see. Okay, we'll see. Please post your answers if you find out. 16. Okay. 36. All right. So see, three students have given answer and three different answers we have. Okay, Jishu, 36. We'll check whether it is true or false, right or wrong. I haven't shown you options yet. So after just looking at options, you will know the answer whether it is right or wrong for you. 36. Okay. Okay, guys. So I'm revealing the options for you. Wanna try again? Okay. Chinmay is saying D. Ganesh is saying second is the correct option. Viraj is saying there are 8 possibilities, and Kunal is also saying option D. Pratigna is saying 8. Arif is saying D. Okay. Guys, we'll see. Okay, fine. Again, the same technique. Okay. See, if you want, you can take the screenshot of this question. Okay. Like if you disagree with my answer, then you can search about it. So that please take the screenshot. Taken? Took the screenshot? Yeah, good. Okay. So, uh, see, guys, we have four digits or four numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. These are four numbers. And we have four places: 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, in the first place, 1 is not to appear at the first place. How many possibilities are there at the first place? How many? three possibilities are there. Okay, so except one out of these, take any number. Let us suppose I take 4 here. 4 is gone. All right. Now here, how many possibilities are there? One number is already gone. Okay, and how many numbers are remaining here? Two numbers are remaining here. Okay, it is three numbers or two numbers. Three numbers. All right. Let us suppose now what I do, I take, just wait, I take two here. Now, how many possibilities are there? Now there are two possibilities, right? So except 4, there can be either 3 or 1, right? So I'm taking 3 here. So two possibilities were here. Now here and here. How many possibilities? Like here, it cannot be 1. Why it cannot be 1? Because 1 is not to be immediately followed by 3, right? Or like in place of this 3, we can take 1 here. Okay, take 1 here. So two possibilities were here. Now 1 and 2 is gone. So 1 is not to be followed by 3, right? So 3 can be taken here. All right. And only one place is remaining, that is 4 here. So 3 into 2 is 6. Okay, so this is quite confusing question, but the correct option is 6 here. Okay, so you can search about it. All right. All right, students, shall we move further? Okay, good. So we have next question, that is, if two boys and two girls are to be arranged in a row so that the girls are not next to each other, how many possible arrangements are there? Two boys are there, two girls are there, and girls are not next to each other. They are sitting in a row. That means the arrangement should be like alternate. If one boy is there, then one girl, one boy, one girl, right? So let us suppose this is the place for two boys. Okay, now two girls can be arranged either here and here or here and here, right? Okay, three arrangements. No, Srushti, just wait. Okay, so this green line is for girls, okay, and this red line is for boys. Okay, so how many places are there for girls? One, two, and three places are there, isn't it? And for boys, how many places are? Two places are there. Okay, so 3 into 2, that means there are 6 ways in which we can arrange two boys and two girls. Clear? Pratidna, it should not be 26. 3 into 2 is 6. Is it? Yeah, even if you think like this answer is wrong, you can ping me on my personal number, okay, with the proper solution. All right? Okay, please explain again. Let me just please. Uh, okay, see, two boys are there, two girls are there. We have to arrange them in a row such that two girls should not be next to each other. मतलब दो गर्ल्स जो है वो एक दूसरे के साइड में या फिर एक दूसरे के आसपास नहीं होनी चाहिए. So इसका मतलब क्या होता है? There are only two boys and two girls. Okay, so they should sit alternatively, right? So let us suppose if boys are sitting like this, okay, then girls should sit either one girl here and one girl here, or if one girl sits here, then other should sit here. Okay, so there are three possibilities of arranging the sitting arrangement of girls and two possibilities of boys or vice versa. So 3 into 2 is 6 in both the ways. Okay, yeah, I hope it explains. And now we have last question for today, that is this: for a sports meet, a winner stand comprising three wooden blocks is in the following form. Like this is the stand for this is winner stand, and there are six different colors available to choose from, and each of three wooden blocks is to be painted such that no two of them has the same color. In how many different ways can the winner stand be painted? It's I think very easy question. You can solve it and we can finish the class for today. Three blocks are there, isn't it? First block, second block, and third block. And how many colors we have? We have six different colors. Okay, 90. Okay. Okay, try students. Everyone please try. This is last question. You can give it a try. 120. Okay. Okay. If you want to see options, you can see options also. Everyone please try. Now I need 15 answers. How many answers I have got? I've got one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Seven answers. 10. Eight. Yeah. Eight answers. Nine. Okay, everybody's 120. Okay, fine. I take it as 120. We'll try to solve it. Uh, First stand, let us suppose stand this stand. How many options we have to paint this? How many options do we have? Six options. All right. For this we have five, and for this we have four options. So six fives are 30, and 30 fours are 120. So everybody has got correct answer. Congratulations, everyone. Yeah. So, guys, in today's lecture, we have just covered permutation. Okay, we are yet to cover combination. Okay, so ये क्लास जैसे सडनली हुआ, मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया. So, guys, let me just tell you, आई एम वेरी बिजी. मतलब आप लोग भी बिजी हो, आई एग्री दैट. लेकिन मेरा शेड्यूल भी बहुत बिजी रहता है. सो लाइक समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपेंस नो, we are making one schedule and you people are like coming late, or maybe you are dropping from the class. आप आ ही नहीं रहे हो, so that is not good. So if you like, if you can't attend the class na, so you can give the advance intimation on my personal WhatsApp number, so that today I cannot attend the class. Okay, it would be like helpful for me, isn't it? So ठीक है, आई होप आप लोगों को मतलब मजा आया होगा पढ़ने में, कुछ नई चीजें भी आपके मतलब सीखने में आई होगी. ओके, so guys, for electronics and electrical guys, your next class will be on Saturday and then on Sunday. In that class, we will be discussing about your preparation strategy and how we are going to cover our syllabus. Okay, so I would like to recommend you all that please go through the GATE syllabus. Okay, and just make a tentative or raw plan how we are going to cover this. Just a raw plan. Okay, and if you have a proper plan, like you have already made it, you please share with me. We can make some like improvement in that plan, or we can implement that plan for others also. Okay, so yeah guys, that's it. I am also like hungry. I didn't have my dinner yet. Okay, so it's 9:54. Thank you very much for like your patient listening. Okay, I'm very happy that all of you have cooperated this way. Okay, fine, chalo theek hai. So guys, I will see you in the next class, and you guys are like free to leave the class. Good night everyone. Bye. Thank you. Bye everyone. Bye. Yeah, thank you everyone. Bye. Good night guys. Bye. Thank you. Everyone, please leave the class. Okay.